Your biological wiring acts as a persistent liability, often doing more damage to your net worth than market volatility itself. Investing relies on the simple logic of buying low and selling high, yet retail investors consistently drift toward the opposite. They flood into peaking markets and abandon them at the first sign of a crash. The stock market serves as a daily exhibition of this human irrationality. In this environment, wealth is rarely stolen by external forces. Instead, our own cognitive biases convince us to surrender it willingly. Modern trading apps and gamified dashboards promise to democratize financial intelligence, but in practice, they only accelerated the speed at which investors could destroy their own capital. During the GameStop short squeeze, millions of people made catastrophic market timing decisions, driven by the immediate emotional high of a social media trend, rather than fundamental value. Similarly, the explosion of cryptocurrency bubbles proved that high data availability does nothing to stop irrational overtrading. These failures happen because digital screens are not feeding data to a logical computer. They are communicating with an ancient survival organ. Massive amounts of real-time information simply provided our primal instincts with faster tools to make irreversible mistakes. Financial uncertainty triggers an internal battle between your logical cognitive processing and your primitive emotional processing. Daniel Kahneman used prospect theory to map this conflict, providing a mathematical framework for how humans process risk and reward. This model shows that the psychological pain of losing money is experienced twice as intensely as the satisfaction of gaining the exact same amount. The physical source of this intense aversion is the amygdala, the brain's fear center, which acts as a biological brake during market downturns. Clinical studies of patients with severe amygdala damage have shown a complete immunity to this bias. Without that fear response, they treat financial risks with cold, mathematical precision. This suggests that panic selling during a crash is actually a biological reflex designed to avoid perceived physical harm, even if it causes financial ruin. If the amygdala forces us to exit at the bottom, another mechanism compels us to join the herd at the absolute peak. As this model shows, external triggers bypass logic, activating emotional pathways directly. Seeing peers succeed creates a situational force, triggering anticipated regret. The brain registers these missed profits as social exclusion. This social anxiety drives investors into herd behavior, where they blindly copy the actions of the group to soothe their own internal dissidence. Our brains are perfectly evolved to play a prehistoric survival game, which makes them uniquely unqualified to navigate a modern probability game. During severe market downturns, algorithmic and AI-driven funds consistently outperform human managers. Code does not have an amygdala. While a human manager feels biological terror as a market bleeds, a machine simply executes buy orders to capture the recovery. Since we cannot surgically alter our own biology, we must design our portfolios to mimic this automated logic. Sustainable wealth is built by physically removing the human element from the moment of execution. Scheduled automation, or dollar-cost averaging, bypasses the emotional agony of trying to time a market bottom. Broad diversification provides a mathematical defense against our brain's innate overconfidence. Avoiding the daily ritual of checking financial apps prevents visual dashboards from triggering the short-term loss aversion that leads to fee-heavy overtrading. The modern financial market is effectively a trap built to exploit human evolutionary psychology. Surviving it requires you to acknowledge your biological vulnerabilities, automate your strategy, and close the app. If you're ready to build a more resilient strategy, subscribe for our weekly deep dives into the systems that run our world.